In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a drop-down menu in Squarespace. First, head over to your website in Squarespace. Once you're on the site, click on the Pages option on the left side of your screen. Here you'll see Main Navigation and Non-Linked sections. Pages listed under the Main Navigation will appear at the top of your screen. Pages under Non-Linked are still available on your website, but they won't appear in the top navigation menu. To add a drop-down menu, click on the plus icon in the main navigation section. Scroll down and you'll see the option for a drop-down menu. Simply click on it and enter a name for your drop-down menu. You can also adjust the settings to suit your preferences. Next, you'll want to add pages or options to the drop-down menu. If you already have pages in the non-linked section, you can drag and drop them into your drop-down menu. If you want to create new options, click on Add Page below the drop-down menu. You can add different types of pages like blogs, stores, or portfolios. For now, let's add some blank pages. Click on Blank Page and type in a name for the page. Then click on Add Page to add the new option to your drop-down menu. Continue this process to add more pages as needed. Once you've added all your pages, go back to your home page. In preview mode, hover over the drop-down menu and you'll see all the options you added. Click on any of the options to navigate to that page. If you've added blank pages, there won't be any content available, but you'll still be directed to the selected page. And this is how you can add a drop-down menu in Squarespace.